Well, I wish there were more windows than just this one. Oh wait. There we go. Hello everybody, welcome to Philipp Helle Photography Does Reviews. Today I got a package. This package is from Scandinavian Photo.no. It is a link in the description if you want to check them out. This is actually sponsored by them. I did not pay anything for it, and we are very happy for doing this. What I like about here is open here. So what I have to do is just take these and just drag them across, and it's opened. Pretty easy. I did not even have to use my knife. So this is the Canon G7x Mark II. I am very excited to check it out because it's the most popular vlogging camera there on YouTube. And as an honest reviewer and a YouTube vlogger as myself, I will tell you my exact opinion and see how this is. So here is a note of some sort. I'm not going to show you there. And this is a guarantee thingy. Yeah, thingy. So what you will include in this video is a side-by-side review of the camera and the one I'm using now, which is the Canon 700D DSLR camera, and we're gonna see which one is way better. I think this one is gonna beat the old one, but we will see. So, okay, we got a SanDisk Extreme Pro SDHC UHSI card. It is it's a pro's choice for reliability, performance, and uncompromising image and 4K UHD video quality. It has a speed up to 95 megabytes per second and has a 633 extra, and it's a 32 gigabytes. So it looks like this. Can you focus, sir? So this is how that one looks like. So we're gonna check that out later. Now this one. This is the one. Put everything in the box. Keep on complete order in it. So here is the camera. I'm gonna change the view now when I'm doing the unboxing so you guys can see a little bit closer of what is happening. Okay, I have read everything to read about this camera, so I will try to fill in all the gaps I know about this camera. So, the full name of this camera is a Canon PowerShot G7x Mark II, and I will go more into details when I get the camera out of this box. So, it's a really nice box, and it of course comes with instructions, but we don't need them. It comes with a box or a compartment for the what do you call it, instructions, and it comes with a power cord. Very simple, very nice one. It comes with the actual camera, and it comes with an armband. Looks like the battery house and a battery. That is actually everything that comes in the box. Pretty neat, pretty good. So, taking out the camera from this box, it is in a very good state. Oh my god. I really don't want to touch this camera right now, but okay. So here it is, very beautiful, very amazing camera. This is something unique. I've always wanted to feel it. I'm gonna actually put, okay, so I actually put down a towel right now because I don't want to scratch it up, but this is how it looks like. Very beautiful, very stylish, and it has a very nice way of putting up the touch LCD screen and everything. So into the review. So this has a resolution of 20.20 megapixels. The sensor size on this camera is 1 inch, which is equals 13.2 millimeter times 8.8 millimeter. The lens is a 4.20 times zoom, and it has no viewfinder but an LCD. The native ISO on this is from 125 to 12,800, and with an extended ISO it has a 125 to 12,800. A shutter speed on 1 to 2000 per 15 seconds and a max aperture of 1.8. The dimension of this camera is a 4.2 times 2.4 times 1.7 inches, which is 106 times 61 times 42 millimeter. The weight on this is about 318 grams, includes batteries. So we're gonna power up this camera and we're gonna see how this goes. But first we gotta put in the battery. The battery looks like this. Very beautiful, very nice. If I can actually put it in. Alright, it's kind of hard to put it in the first time, but it looks like it doesn't have an automatic shutter on this, so you have to actually lock it yourself, just in place like that. But before I do anything else, I will put in this memory card right here. Alright, so taking out this memory card. It comes with a it comes with a free download of 2-year subscription of Rescue Pro Deluxe recovery software. That is amazing. I will do a giveaway on this with the code. As you can see, I've blurred the code so you don't see it, but I will actually do a giveaway. So make sure to like this video, subscribe, and comment in the comment section hashtag SanDisk, and I will choose a winner by the end of this week. So with no further ado, we're gonna put everything in here, open this, and we're gonna put it in nice and easy like that, and we're gonna close it up. First review of this, I really love the way they made the handle on this camera. The way you can actually hold it, pretty simple. The grip is very, very comfortable. I can see there's a microphone right here. The microphone is on top right here, as you can see. I will do a DIY muffler on this camera, so if you want to check it out, I'm gonna leave a link in the description when the video is out. It's not gonna be out when you see this video, the day this video uploads, but it will come, you will see. So with no further ado, let's power up this bad boy. We're gonna see how it starts up, very easy. Oh, the sound is beautiful. So we arrived to a date and time. So it is the, what date it is? 17th of 9, I think, yeah, 9, yeah, and 2018. The time right now is 16:53. I will put 54. Oh, there we go. Date, month, and year, and daylight saving time. Daylight saving time. I actually wonder what that is, but we will try that. It's not London, it's Oslo we have. So we need to find Oslo. Hopefully it's gonna be here. If not, no. Then it's gonna be Paris. Okay, so as you can see, it works perfectly fine. What I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna turn it up so you can see that's the camera right there. So everything is working very beautifully. And if I don't like, if I want to go like below, if I hold the camera upwards, I can also have the LCD screen that way. So overall, this is very nice. I can tell the quality on this camera is very nice. So I'm gonna turn it off now, and we're gonna go to the side-by-side review, and I will get right back to you. Okay guys, I don't know which camera I should look at, but this is an amazing view. I can see a huge difference between these two cameras. This camera, which is the Canon 700D DSLR, is a very smooth and sharp image. It doesn't color grade it very well. The lighting doesn't come through very well, as I can see on the G7X Mark II. I can see there's a ton of difference. The audio quality, I have no idea how it sounds like, but right now you can hear me through the 700D, and right now you can hear me on the G7X. So there's probably a difference. I've heard there's a lot of negativity on the microphone, but of course that you can make it sound better with the muffler. So I think this is pretty much the review I can do, and I think this is a camera I want to recommend anyone. I don't know which camera I'm gonna look at, but right now I'm going to switch to Canon G7X, and I'm gonna say goodbye to everyone here. And remember to comment, like, and subscribe to get the code on this one. And I will see you guys in the next one. Bye!